Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Just earlier today, I created this, and I started thinking it would be pretty neat in a square and kind of show you the difference in the blends. This one is only blended 10 times, where this one is blended 100 times. So you can actually see the 10 steps. So to do this, and I think a rounded rectangle is probably the best. I'm going to make a rectangle. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, and I'm going to round it 2 inches. Then I'm going to take Control D and make another duplicate. While holding down the Shift key, I'm going to make it smaller. Now I'm going to separate both these, and I'm going to make the inside blue, but I'm going to take away the outline. I'm going to make this one a dark blue, and I'm going to take away the outline. And because I'm working in the center page, I can hit P and put it in the center of the page. So I'm going to make a couple of copies of this. This is 16 inches. Let's set our nudge factor on 18. Let's Control D or hit the plus key on the keyboard and move that over. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this with the blend tool on the toolbar, and I'm going to start from about the middle and go to about right there, and see you get a fuzzy look because I've got 100. Well, this time let's just do 10, and let's go here and there and change it back to 10 because it automatically goes to 100. So you can actually see the steps. But much like any other blend, you can still grab that inner blend and take it up there and have a totally different look. I mean, look at the difference there. It's just like it's fuzzing out, and you can make your blend a little bit bigger. So it's fuzzing out the color effect. And like I always say, I wish I could do color because I just do black and white and reds with laser engraving, but that's a pretty cool effect. And as always, you could put this back to the center of the page and you could rotate it and get a total different look. Now let's take this and make it go back to your blend tool, and let's step it up to, well, I guess we can't now that we've done that. Ought to be able to do it. Maybe I have to select the whole thing, or nope. So what we're going to do, let's just do another one. Let's take a rectangle, round off the corners. I've got my ratio locked so they all round off at the same time and equal. I'm going to Control D to make a duplicate while holding down the Shift key, put it in the middle. I don't probably have to separate them, but I'm going to still do that. I'm left clicking to fill. I'm going to right click no outline. Now to put these together, I've got them selected. I'm going to go EC. Of course, it put it there. Now let's rotate. Look what it did to that other blend because I grabbed part of that other blend. Let's back up here. Let's just get that and that pretty close to the center. Now let's rotate this guy like a 45-degree angle. Let's take the blend tool and blend it like right here. And let's go, this time, let's go that 100. And look at the difference. And while we're still there, I believe now we can probably, well, it might be hard to pick that one. We could rotate the blend a little bit, change some things. You know, really this is offsetting it. So I cannot select that one blend. If I grab right there, yep, I can blend it and I can rotate it again. And it's not going to get much better because it's 45-degree angles and 90-degree angles. But we could always turn it red, and look at that. That doesn't look too cool with green, yellow, whatever you want. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.